Hi, I'm Dr. Grant Lisetor, the founder of Greater Life Chiropractic. One common question we get is, why do chiropractors seem to focus on cracking a person's back? We'll dig in and get started in just 10 seconds. Let's go. The sound of a back or neck cracking is something many people associate with chiropractic care. These adjustments are designed to remove pressure on nerves caused by misalignments in the spine, but there's more to it than just the crack. The cracking sound you might hear during an adjustment is caused by the release of gas bubbles from the joints. When a chiropractor applies a quick, precise force to a joint, it can create a popping noise similar to cracking your knuckles. Short-term relief. One reason spinal adjustments feel good is because they often lead to the release of feel-good neurotransmitters like dopamine. This neurotransmitter can create a short-term sense of well-being and relaxation. However, this relief is often temporary and may not address the root cause of the problem. Limitations of cracking. While the immediate relief from cracking can be enjoyable, it's important to understand that it may not provide a lasting solution to underlying issues. Frequent cracking without a comprehensive approach can sometimes lead to recurring problems and may not address the deeper neurological and structural issues that contribute to pain and dysfunction. The neurological approach at Greater Life Chiropractic. At Greater Life Chiropractic, we take a different approach. We focus on the nervous system and really only look at the spine as a vehicle to impact and improve the function of the nervous system. Our care is based on a thorough neurological assessment to understand and measure how your nervous system is functioning and adapting to stress. This comprehensive evaluation allows us to identify the root cause of your issues and develop a targeted treatment plan. Careful analysis and gentle adjustments. Our process begins with a detailed analysis using advanced diagnostic tools. We carefully examine your spine and nervous system to pinpoint the areas of misalignment and dysfunction. This allows us to perform highly targeted, gentle adjustments that promote longer-term correction and healing. Long-term benefits. Unlike the short-lived relief of a quick crack, our neurological approach aims for sustained improvement. By addressing the underlying causes of your symptoms, we help your body function more effectively and reduce the likelihood of recurring problems. This approach not only alleviates pain, but also enhances your well-being. Why our approach is different. The internet is full of videos showcasing chiropractors performing loud spinal adjustments. While these videos can be impressive, they don't always reflect the careful, individualized care needed for long-term health. At Greater Life Chiropractic, we prioritize precise, gentle adjustments tailored to your unique needs, ensuring you receive the best possible care for lasting results. Many times, people may not feel or hear a crack noise when we adjust them because the amount of force needed is minimal with specific chiropractic care. So why do chiropractors seem to focus on cracking a person's back? While the immediate relief from gross spinal manipulation can feel good, it often doesn't address the root cause of the issue. At Greater Life Chiropractic, our neurological approach provides a comprehensive solution for long-term health and well-being with specific chiropractic adjustments. One other small thing to bear in mind with neck cracking, spine cracking, whatever it is, not the best thing to try to do yourself. Often what happens is you are moving the joints that are already moving more than they should, and you're not correcting the joints that aren't moving the way they should. This can lead to hypermobility and speed up the rate of arthritic degeneration. It's really important to have somebody do this. Myself, as a chiropractor, I get adjusted by another chiropractor. There's no way I would ever attempt to do this to myself. So make sure you see somebody to help you. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to learn more about our approach to chiropractic care, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone curious about chiropractic care.